Okay, so as you can see, I had to adjust it once because this tree here is kind of on a, it's up a little higher than this tree here. And it's just a real simple tie you do. You just go around the tree once, go under the cord here, go around the tree again. You just make quick release knot there if you want to do it. But yeah, it's very simple to set up. It's holding 240 pounds. Okay, our next step is to attach the poncho. And this is the attaching point here to the poncho. This goes into the middle grommet on the poncho. I'll show you that here in a minute. But this is the device that is on this that the military used to connect the poncho. So that's our next step. This is the toggle that will go into, see right there, into the middle grommet, and that holds the poncho on just on that side. We'll do the same thing on the other side. There we go. The next step is to put a stick on the end of this grommet to the under end of this grommet here. Now it gives it a pitch on both sides, so when it's raining, the rain will come down, not get on you. We're not going to close up the hood. It's not supposed to rain the night. I might just cinch it up, just have it cinched shut to keep the mosquitoes out, but yeah, looking pretty good. Okay, we got both sticks carved. Now all left to do is put it in the grommets. So we are in the hammock, and this thing is really cool. Really awesome design by the military. This is what it would look like if you were in Vietnam in one of these. Is where obviously when I showed you in the beginning, or read in the beginning to you guys, is where they were tested. A year later, it became standard issue. So this is what it'd be like in the jungles of Vietnam. Except mosquitoes are probably 10 times worse. My first hammock overnight, it's gonna be interesting.